Hey there, it's Engineer Steve. Today I'm going to restore this very old grinding wheel, which has been found in an old barn that was getting demolished. I guess this tool was used to sharpen knives back in the days, and it looks to have some kind of clamps that allow you to mount it onto a table or something like that. In my eyes, this is a very neat piece of antique. In this episode I will disassemble the grinding wheel, and in the next two episodes I will probably clean and paint all the parts and put it back together. It was quite some fun making that video, so you can expect more videos like this in the future. For now, just enjoy the time lapse and of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel.